Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to download and install Inzoi on your PC step by step. Inzoi is one of the most exciting life simulation games similar to the Sims, but with stunning graphics and next gen features. Let's get started. Before you download, make sure your PC can handle it. Here's what you need. So here is the system requirements. So operating system Windows 10 or 11, processor Intel i5 or AMD Ryzen 5, and memory 8 GB or more, and graphics card NVIDIA RTX AMD Radeon RX, and storage 40 GB available space. And my computer properties is processor AMD Ryzen 5 is here, and the installed RAM is 24 GB, and the system operating system is Windows 11, and the system types is 64 bits operating systems. And if your system is good to go, move on to the next steps. Where to download Inzoi? Inzoi is expected to be available on platforms like Steam and possibly the Epic Games Store after official release. Here's how to check. So first option is Steam's. Here I have opened my Steam's, and you can go to the store.steampowered.com, the website of Steam's, and search for Inzoi. Then click the official game page if it's released, but hit buy or download. Here you can see this, and once purchased, click installed. Once downloaded, installation is simple. Now open the Steam library and then click on Inzoi, hit the install button and choose your install location and wait for it to finish. After install, hit play and you are ready to start building your dream life. The first time you launch it may download additional updates or ask for graphics settings, so be patient. And sometimes having issues troubleshootings if it won't install. Make sure you have enough storage. Run Steam as admin and try verifying games files under system library, and right click Inzoi, then properties, verify integrity. If it's crash, update your GPU drivers, lower graphics settings, and check Windows is update. Still not working, reach out to the game support through Steam or the official sites. And that's how you download and install Inzoi on your PC, and where you are customizing your characters, building homes, or living out your ideal virtual life. Inzoi is shaping up to be a real game. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channels.